here with Dr. Kohler. We were checking the status of my brushing. I have been using the MOTSY Light LED toothbrush, which has made a huge difference in my teeth cleaning since my appointment last month, my dental cleaning. I really feel like it's helped me maintain that kind of fresh, out of the dentist feeling in my teeth. It's helping me get back into the back of the mouth, the parts that I'm missing, making sure I'm getting that toothpaste on both sides, and then using the MOTSY Light, using the rubber pick after I floss to see areas that I've missed. And the gums have felt much improved. I think overall it's just been very helpful in maintaining, keeping my teeth clean, my gums, all of the things. The LED light's very helpful to see in the back parts of your mouth, and I would highly recommend it.